You see this Madachud's charisma in the sky. Mrs. Kamala Harris, and why your Joy Biden was fell down. If you see this cloud formation, you see this cloud formation peculiar type, and why I am so worried, even delete some vital photograph, scientific document, because they are hindering me this camera to utilize all these videos to describe. If I see this, you see this cloud formations in such a form, and you see this cloud formation, and they have spoiled my time as to quickness to follow these structures, were the mischievous setup based magnetic field stuck of cloud, the shape taking what particular forced magnetic field has been created, that particular water molecules has gathered around that condensing magnetic field, earth inner, sky inner, and including all body structures that structure has. As I today tried to give the 27th March, that I may not be able to put this video today. If I am unable, and if this video record will not be deleted probably by this culprit, and that message that they are hindering me this Sony cyber shot camera for intentionally from USA to inactive. As I am poor, I am not a much of the dot varieties of setup, and as Indian police is not helping me, or the administration of the culprit criminal political power, evil shrewd satanic from the same community, as if you are not Kamala Harris, is your cheater, imposter. She has to listen and advise Joy Biden to save white people's life. You see this vagina-like color, one good के slit mouth of vagina चुदमारानी के, वो जो चुदमारानी चुदी के चुदुर नागर चुदमारानीस are helping to a imposter ladies vulgar this crime doing, that is, and this magis chudamaranis also expert in digital crime doing to hinder me, as I will be frequently forget to do these everything. Now as I am blaming with my camera recording this thing, that now the climate and all this changing, they now it is started moving back. They are reducing, squeezing their setup, drawing from southwest of India, as if from southeast Gulf of your Mexican to Florida, not to Houston side. That cloud is gradually being drawn towards northeast in our side, towards your northwest, California side. That cloud is just being drawn and is moving, and from this side is become vacant. Magnetic field has been dispersed. That northwest in India, in your northeast, that is your Washington side area, school area is coming from polar, that Iceland, to enter into Florida, Virginia, Texas areas. How they have do avalanche in our synagogue, highest Himalayan hydroelectric project to damage from underneath, that take hundreds of life buried. And at that time we have visited Texas a month ago probably. That devastation polar wind certainly collapsed life of and killed many people in Texas region. That is exactly from me, Calcutta to Delhi, direction in your from Virginia, Texas towards Pennsylvania, Iceland direction. From south east to northwest in your direction. From here, northwest, from to southeast, opposite. The direction in your place, all north will be same, because I have my body get as I am feeling. I have become my uncles, my ages, Shiv Shankar Rai, Dipankar Rai's bodies, and to talk severe magnetic field stuck up their body. They do not, in this time, early morning, so many people are dying also. In the midnight, that people is remaining in this side, and that vehicle is going little direction. Now change my complaint that is being recorded in this camera, and that will be boomerang for you, that they are misusing and keeping you in misled form, as if good man, as a comrade, communist peoples remain impostor, even what they are maltreating with Uyghur, Muslims and etc. Although Muslims are not good people, Muslims and comrades are all impostor, treacherous, notorious, unreliable peoples, community, are the matching of their minds. Also they, as they forced to remain as Allah followers, but these people literally as Bengali is irreligious. They do not try to follow their rules and regulations, but do draw drama with frenzy to misuse this and to instigate them to harm that USA, other Christian people, what to do in Israel, Lebanon, etc. areas, and to do the shootings of various with these evil minds of blue whale girls and boys. What are doing wrong agitation, that Greta Thunberg, etc., and black people, and sometimes white Christianity, those are blue whale mind-based culprit criminals to do shooting, agitation, wrong manner, misleader, to blame carbon dioxide, not that gravitational theory, mishandling power, the mystic power and hands and intention, bad, evil they to utilize. That all has been details taken note what I have trying last 2-3 years, not 5 years, but also as this number you have to ask from John's Borison, this 44 UK number 2037691755. Suddenly they call this number 1 p.m. Indian time, 3:60 p.m. that World Scientific Association Colorado climate change. Your Colorado University, which is global warming and pollution preventing, just doing drama from the Houston, New Orleans, Mexico, Florida, Mexico, these your USA government facility. Beyond, apart from this, Mexico also they to mislead and to remain to speak in Spanish and English, as they are remain by birth as a school first language. They learn English very good manner, so thus they have left India. This Paddy, what I am blaming Paddy, I have written that Paddy is host crime doing against, because some peoples are there who have been trapped and kidnapped, who give to clues you to think stuff, the what is scuba diving, what sea, what mobile traffic and mobile setup remain in traffic system. So that is the deep bottom, vast sea, that column water to make, as your Gurudev discussed about dielectricity power to break earth solid, to make liquid like phase at the water mass column of sea. That those peoples remaining in the nearest to bottom, as this Mother Chottohinov, Dibyendu Ghosh and Bijon Ghosh, both vulgar prostitute user of one mother. So there are lot of brothers and others, cousin brothers used to lot of these vulgar prostitutes to change their sex and coitus to produce evil sons. There is a lot of Tushar Tushar Hazra, तो ही नव, तो हित, तो हिको, तो जीत, ये सब नाम that misleading their Bengali nickname. Originally I know that Ajit, they, Amit, they, Olok, they, দেবজ্যোতি ঘোষ, পম্পা ঘোষ, শম্পা ঘোষ, বিদ্যুৎ হাজরা, শুভঙ্কর হাজরা, প্রদ্যুৎ ঘোষ, প্রদীপ ঘোষ, যুগল ঘোষ is do. Somebody was discussing net night at 3 p.m. about confusions. Tosh, our T.S. Tosh, I will get the name, his brother from Arambagh, Jibon Tosh. It's not Dugal, it's from Goghat Sune area. These peoples to change up the name to misleading as if they are Dugal. That tos is being very used, and they are trying to establish relativeness so that I can show merciness to them, their crime, but it is not possible. That so I cannot, as I am God representative, I cannot do wrong with such peoples and very wrongdoer who has remained impostor for life, and he has neglected and so prudence to even kill me, given severe torture day by day. Last 2000 days they are putting severe pressure on my mind from my immature life. Even although I have reached to 60 years, not your age or other people, this Bengali same community who to survive above 130 years, vulgar ladies and boys. And here, India, the same community, same family, of same community brotherhood, they are hardly to survive 45 to 55 to 65, hardly 75 years. If they have target, it is impossible to survive. So that as my record has become lengthier, my mother little group from USA who are dead against this crime doing of humanity. They learn all those crime doing, they cannot be good friend of their babies, children. They do not think as they have tried to lose life with them. So as they are vulgar, who has enjoyed sex, foods, etc., power for last 100, 120 years, but one baby, 5 years or 10 years, 15 or 20 years, so they are not ready to lose life and wrongdoing. As God has, this is, you have to know, this is a pre-planned program to teach the world people who do not forget that Lord Jesus or God contributions and other Indian mythologies based multi-lordship or strata-based lordship as finest lordship remain farthest distance at finest form from earth. Then there is a strata as per Indian communication, as we make hierarchy in official form in this way in the human and God setup is the same similar. As we are different but originated from the same mind and spirit, but twisted conditions of and content of those thickness, it is making different character of human to human, mind to mind behavior. Unless same spirit and mind is everybody's body and even also in inner structure. As proteins are very important for in biological life, their role playing are different from the inner structure. He is crying for last 3-4 hours or more. He is want of food. I am not having food. So he is complaining and he is giving quotation. He is much worried about my life, and his brother, probably he has come and he has been made victimized, put in difficulties, that I have to search to open my door. Chalo, you go. Chalo, I try to give you something. You stop your complaint, crying. He last 3 days he not come because their difficulties put in magnetic field close. He was unable to move. So he was giving complaint to me to listen their problem also, as they read my inner what I am thinking. They are also same frightening life losing fears, as they have seen their losing of so many brothers, sisters to be killed, mine and their his own kitten families. Her mother lost almost 30, her children only 2-3 are surviving.